Your belly isn't growing because you ate a piece of bread yesterday. It's growing because you keep allowing fat to accumulate. You keep making excuses to feed your laziness while you could burn fat from the comfort of your home without needing any equipment or wasting money on an expensive gym. In today's video, we're going to show you 5 standing exercises that activate your entire core and burn fat fast. Exercise 1. Standing ABS rotation. Stretch. This exercise looks simple, and that's exactly why so many people do it wrong. Stand up straight, feet shoulder-width apart, core tightened the entire time. Now slowly rotate your torso from side to side. Avoid swinging your body loosely. Instead, control the movement. Feel your abs holding the rotation, and feel your obliques burning. Exercise 2. Standing air bike. Now the game changes. This is where the real fat burning begins. Raise your right knee and touch it with your left elbow, then alternate. Fast but controlled, without losing posture. Don't turn this into a messy dance. Every repetition should feel like a punch to your abs. Exercise 3. Standing ab twist. This one destroys the sides of your waist. Keep your arms raised in front of your chest, knees slightly bent. And now twist your torso with power. But pay attention. Your hips should barely move. Your abs are doing the work. Many people lose results because they move too fast and without tension. Speed without control does not build definition. Contraction does. So move slowly on the way up. Exercise 4. Standing obliques rotation. Now we're going to deeply attack the obliques. Stay firm on the ground, core locked in, rotate your torso explosively without losing balance. Imagine crushing fat with every repetition. The secret here is continuous resistance. Don't relax between movements, keep constant tension. Exercise 5. Standing boat row. This exercise finishes the workout by destroying your entire core. Start by slightly bending your knees. Lean your torso slightly backward, and now simulate a rowing movement. Pull to one side and then the other, but don't do it automatically. Every pull should contract your abs like someone is about to punch you in the stomach. The truth is harsh. Nobody is going to train for you, so get up and train at home to burn belly fat. If you want more intense, real workouts designed to transform your body at home, subscribe to the channel right now and comment, "I will not give up." Prove to yourself that this time is different.